got a new toy. Quite excited. So yep, I finally got my new drone, which is the DJI Mini 2. So this is the newest drone of DJI. So yeah, I'm quite excited that I finally got the budget for me to buy a new drone for myself. So yeah, if you could see from my previous videos, I do have drone, but I have to leave it back in the Philippines because when I moved here in New Zealand, I made a decision to leave the drone back at home because it won't fit my luggage and I only have like limited kilos for me to bring home here in New Zealand. And yeah, my previous drone was a Phantom Pro 3, so it's the big one. So yeah, so now it's just a small one. So for today's video, we're gonna of course test this one out. This is not going to be an intensive review of this drone. Probably share my first thoughts of this drone from having a bigger drone than before. And I'm also gonna do just a quick silent unboxing of this drone. Yeah, without further ado, let's head downstairs for us to unbox this drone. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. So, let's do this quick unboxing of this drone. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. So that is our quick unboxing. So you could see the drone is very small. It's just like the size of my palm. Yep, and here we go. The complete set of the DJI Fly More combo. And now that we have unboxed everything, I'm gonna put it back again on its bag and let's go out and try this drone out. Let's go! And so of course, before we begin our shooting, so this is our remote, and the good thing about it is you just have to take this and put it on your remote control so that the joystick is secured and it's not bulky when you put it in your bag. So you just put it like there, and this is the view of the remote. So you've got the on button, you've got the return to home, you've got the cine, normal, and sport mode, and you've also got the function mode over here, and then over here is this. This is for the if you want to take a picture or video, and this is for the tilt up and down for the gimbal of the camera. And so now this, you just have to open this up, and then you could put your phone over here, and there's a cable over here that you can directly connect to your phone. So for this, since I'm using an iPhone, I've got an iPhone there, but if you see the box, there's like connectors for USB-C and for Android. So now let's put our phone in there. Compared to the Phantom 3 that I have before. And so we just have to plug it in like that. So of course, before flying, you have to download the app DJI Fly. So search, but I've already got it, so let's just open it up. And so this is the one that you need when flying the drone. So allow DJI Fly to use your location, allow while using app. Yep. And then do you like to send you notifications? Yep, I would allow that one. DJI would like to use Bluetooth. Okay, so I'm just going you through the different the setup from the start, because this is the first time that I'm going to set it up. So yep, set all, and then terms of use, just the normal. So let's just press agree, and yep, information authorization, so we just want that, and just click next. And then improvement project, if you want to join, I'll probably use not now at the moment. So there you go. And of course you need to log in or register in order for you to use the app. I'm gonna pause it for now. I'm just gonna enter my details and see you in a bit. So okay, so now that we've entered our credentials, so you would see there a new user guide. So fly a drone can be a safe and fun experience. So yeah, so it's just giving you a tips. So of course you need to find a good takeoff area, checking and preparing the aircraft, and of course flying the aircraft. So let's just start. I'm not gonna skip it so that we'll see every step of the way. So there you go. There's like a video in there, just pre-flight checklist, just tips, and yep. And then now let's skip, and there you can see it now. So I could see my current address in here, and you could also see the fly spots. So I've got my drone over here, so we're just gonna connect this drone to the DJI Fly app. So I'm just gonna put this on one end, and now we are back. So what we're gonna do is we're going to connect our aircraft. The DJI Fly app can do the Mavic Mini and the Mavic Air 2 and the DJI Mini 2, and since we have the DJI Mini 2, we are going to select that one. Okay, so we need to set up the remote controller setup and power on. So now you could see some directions over there. So take out and install the control sticks. So we already done that. And second is short press the remote control power button, and then press and hold it again until the remote control beeps to indicate it is powered on. So we're gonna do that. Short press the remote and then turn it on. So it's now connected, and connect a mobile device to the remote, and there you go. And now first unfold the front and rear aircraft arms. So I've already done that. And remove the gimbal protector, so I'm just gonna remove that one. I'm gonna remove the gimbal protector. There you go. And then next is slide the battery into the battery compartment. So yep, the battery is already in there. We're gonna turn it on by using this one, just like the remote control, press it once and then press it for long. And you can see when you turn it on, we'll do that one. So I'm gonna put this on one side at the moment, or I'm gonna put this on the ground. And so you could see now that it has already been connected. So yeah, because the new iPhone security features, so so it will ask you if you would like to access your photos, so I will allow access to all photos. There you go. And then it just says activate DJI Mini 2, so I'm just gonna press agree. Confirm binding account, so this is my account, and then activate. And registering server, just have, and then aircraft activated, and then press done. And then it's just gonna show you some checklists, but it's not showing anything at the moment, so let's just press skip. And then of course you have to update the Mini 2, so let's just update it. So keep the app open and ensure the battery level of RC and aircraft is higher than 20%, which is yes, and update is approximately 10 minutes to finish. So yeah, I would recommend that you update everything before using it. So good thing we're still at home, so, and connected on Wi-Fi, so I could update this one. So I'm just gonna click update, and we're gonna return back after the update has finished. Okay, so after 3 minutes, the update has been successful, so we're just gonna close that one. We're just gonna go to connect aircraft once again, and then we're gonna choose DJI Mini 2 and yes, so now you could see that the drone is now connected on the app, and I'm not gonna fly it here okay, because it's also windy and I'm inside, so I don't want to do something really bad that I'm going to regret at the end. Yep, so that's it for now. So we are now going to the browser, and we're gonna test out the drone over here, so you can see it's a bit windy. So yeah, we're also gonna be able to test out how resistant this DJI Mini 2 is when it comes to wind. But if it becomes super windy, I'm gonna stop the recording because I don't want this. Before flying, we need to go to our settings, over to safety, and we are just gonna calibrate our compass just to be sure. There you go with flying on the drone, and now we're gonna talk about first impressions with this drone. Just to give a baseline, I'm comparing it to the previous Phantom Pro that I had before, so that is the basis of my first impressions for this video. So first is of course the size and the weight. I'm not gonna discuss further on this, enough said on that. Big difference. Second is the ease of use or setting up the drone. You know, in the Phantom Pro, you need to put in the propeller in there, you have to, and so it really is taking some time for you to just to assemble the drone, for you to use a drone. While here in the Mini 2, yeah, you just have to flip the legs and there you go, you don't need to put in the propeller in there, so which is really good coming from a Phantom Pro user. Third, that what I really like about it is the phone holder on the remote, because on the Phantom Pro on the remote, a third-party phone holder that you need to put in the remote, but here it's already built in. You just have to flick it and put in your phone. And the good thing about it as well is there's already a built-in cable that you could just easily connect on your phone. Unlike before, you have to connect your phone using Wi-Fi onto the remote, and now you just have to plug in that cable, which is really good, DJI. And last thing that I really like about it is the DJI Fly app, and one of the things that I really like is the quick shot mode when taking a video. So yeah, so here you would see in this video I've been like experimenting on the different quick shots that you can see, and yeah, so it's like pre-programmed already there, which is really neat, which is really good as well, and because the drone could just automatically do it for you. Awesome job, DJI. And one thing as well is that this DJI Mini 2, they've been promoting that it could withstand 25 mph wind, and here in Wellington it's really windy. So when I tested it, surprisingly it could withstand a windy situation. But there was this one time during my flight, I really need to bring the drone down because I could see that the wind is blowing away the drone. But yeah, surprisingly on this small drone it could withstand wind, which is really good. But of course, if it's super windy, don't risk it. I suggest never risk it. So what is my final verdict for this drone? I would say if you're a hobbyist, or if you are a beginner, this drone is really perfect for you, as it covers a lot of things. It's really worth it, and it's good. It's surprisingly cheap. So yeah, there you have it. I hope that you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to click that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button and click that bell button so that you'll get notified on my next videos. Thank you for watching. Kia ora.